Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this video I will show you how our new function weight and balance is working in the Ops module. It will help all the dispatchers with the daily work.
If you would like to activate the weight and balance function in Leon, at first you need to contact Leon support team and send us the required documents, which can be found in our manual. After implementing the setup for your aircraft, you will be able to access it from the Ops section of Leon. So if you are using Ops Table, Ops Calendar or Ops Timeline, just left-click on a flight and go to Weight and Balance tab. In here, you'll be able to select configuration in case there is a different setup of seats available for your aircraft, and also we can set different maximum takeoff weights. As per adding the weight, you'll have different sections for this purpose. So you'll have crew and pantry, passengers, baggage, and fuel. After adding the values, you can check the results at the bottom part of the weight and balance section. In here, Leon will show you how many units are remaining, and if something is out of order, Leon will highlight the weight on red. Also, if needed, you can add weight and balance column to the Ops table. In this case, you just need to click on Feed filter, go to columns, and add weight and balance. After adding the values, if they are correct, the result will have a green tick, but also the dot in the column will turn green. If you would like to, you can generate the PDF. You can do it from the weight and balance tab, but also you can right-click on a flight and generate the document from here. If needed, you have also option to send the document to some recipients.
As you can see, the weight and balance will help you on a daily basis with your work while you are preparing a flight. For this information and more, please subscribe to our social media.